if you claimed the PPP, if you got 2 rounds of PPP or 1 round, you can still be eligible for the Employee Retention Credit Program. Hi there, my name is Catherine Tindall. I'm a CPA and one of the partners at Dominion Enterprise Services. We're a specialty tax and accounting CPA firm. Let's go into, my top 5 mistakes that I see business owners make. The third most common mistake that I see business owners make is they confuse the Employee Retention Credit Program with things like the PPP, or they're really concerned about IRS audit risk. And I would say the 2 pieces here that you need to watch out for is if you claimed the PPP, if you got 2 rounds of PPP or 1 round, you can still be eligible for the Employee Retention Credit Program. Most companies that I work with have both PPP and ERC, and it's not a problem. The PPP will reduce how much you get for ERC in most cases, but it's usually not substantial enough that the credit isn't worth it to pursue for the ERC. So I would definitely not worry about that. And then the second piece is, like I've mentioned, the IRS is going to come back and audit a lot of these claims just because there's a lot of bad actors in the space right now. But as long as you're working with a licensed practitioner and you've done your due diligence on the provider that you're working with, that they have good tax credentials, they existed before the pandemic, those sorts of things, you really have nothing to worry about with IRS audit because, a well-seasoned tax professional takes their duty of care very seriously. And so even though, the IRS is going to be auditing these, it'll be a pretty clean process as long as you've worked with a good provider. If you haven't explored this program, you can visit our website. There are a lot more resources that explain the program, explain other things you should watch out for. And we also have a guide version of this video, top 5 mistakes, with more details of, action items that I would advise business owners to watch out for, because it really is a golden opportunity. We've seen this be life-changing for businesses. And we've seen this be a program that's really pulled a lot of, businesses, especially in industries that were really affected by the pandemic. This can kind of be that silver bullet to help kind of get you right back on your feet.